Are we under the control of a higher force? Man attained consciousness by a spark of that aspect of that divine energy. All these entities and energies are all a part of the constitution of the divine essence. The fact that you come to a full realization of yourself does not make you God. You believing that there's no God is the biggest error you can ever make in your lifetime.